Old Phuket town has a totally different vibe than anywhere else here on Phuket. We're heading to a famous food court style restaurant. Zee said this area seems pretty good, a lot of places to come and eat. French Thai food right here. Is that a cool looking building or what? It's kind of a combination of Chinese and Portuguese architecture here. We've reached our destination here at Lock Tian restaurant. It's right across the street from that building. Right behind me here is Lock Tian. Let's go in and find out what kind of delicacies we can find here, yeah, hun? Thai fusion. Taste. Ani Hok Tian. Ani Tian. Yeah, I'm just going to take her word for it. But I've never had this before. I've never had that before. I've had that, but we want to try some of the local cuisine here. This is like the perfect place to do it. It kind of looks like a sausage. Zee ate one piece and goes, yeah. Oh, you said that because it was really hot. But is it good? Delicious?
Good.
Yeah, good. Okay, and then here. Okay. First taste of one of these. Yeah, sure. She said that this is going to be good. What is it? Still really hot. Woo. There's a whole lot of mix of different flavors in this. Nothing's overpowering. Oh man, that's good. I've had sautés a lot. Let's see how theirs compare. We're gonna put it in some peanut sauce here. Oh yeah. I've always enjoyed eating this. It's almost like a little salad. How could I forget? I neglected my guava drink right here. Oh yeah. That's good. We're gonna try some of this with some pepper sauce on it. Oh my God. See? Yes, that's friggin' good. Hey, if this is the kind of food experience you guys think you'd like, leave me a comment. This is one really cool thing they do with the eggs here, and Zee does it too at home. It's almost like a soft-boiled egg. Yeah, go ahead. Open it up, Zee. Yeah, look at that. Look at that gooey deliciousness. Oh my God. Hey, this place is friggin' awesome, man. I also have some friends coming from the States, and I can't wait to see what they think of this place. My one friend, Ken's been to Thailand multiple times, has a Thai wife and everything. Wait till he comes here and eats. He's gonna love this place, and so is his wife. We're gonna eat right now. After we polish this off, we'll be back to let you know what was our favorite and give you guys some recommendations on what to order if you decide to come here. All right? I'm going to start off by saying this has been the best food experience since we've been back to Phuket. And not just in Old Town, I'm talking about since we've been back to Phuket. Out of everything that we ordered, I would recommend everything except for the moo satay. It was good, but you can get that pretty much anywhere in Thailand. If you're going to come here, experience the local dishes here. Anybody that's interested in this kind of stuff, dude, you need to do yourself a favor and come here and check it out. Hey, let me know in the comments if this is the kind of stuff that you like. I'm absolutely stuffed right now, and I'm already looking forward to coming back here again and trying some of the other stuff. Yeah, Zee? Totally stoked, totally satisfied. We are going to leave the name of this. All you got to do is do a Google search for it and get the location off of Google. It'll bring you right here. You know, I feel living in Katu where we are, we're fairly centrally located. We can be here in Old Town in about 18 to 20 minutes depending on traffic. So we will be exploring this area more. Check out that old house over there. Hey, is this place kick ass or what? Look at that, man. God, I'd love to have that. Yeah, we're going to walk up the road here a little ways and check out what's kind of a landmark here in Old Town called Shrine of the Serene Light. Check out that bank. Holy shit, that's badass. Kind of another cool thing about Thailand right here, you might be walking along and a truck comes by full of fruit or vegetables or whatever at great prices. This is a Shrine of the Serene Light. I was trying to get a shot inside the temple, but there was a Chinese guy that really know what he was saying, but I think he was telling me I wasn't allowed to go in there and take any pictures or anything. Yeah, he seemed a little grumpy. Yeah, Z found this place, the upside down house. Stay like this for very long, you guys get a headache?
UNESCO หาดท่าหลา beautiful ดูดิ
Yeah, let's see, let's look at
เนี่ยหาดท่าหลา
Hat Tala. All right, yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
I want to go swimming.
ไป go
Well, we made it. Here we are at Hat Tala, and let's go check it out. I really want to go swimming. What the heck? Doesn't look anything like the pictures. Guess I'm not going to go swimming. Well, see, I think we got screwed over by that. There'll be no swimming here, Z. All right, let's go. Now I'm taking my little sweetie here out to eat at a really nice restaurant here called Raya. How do I say
ถู
it?
กแล้วระยะ
Raya. It's in an old house. I believe it was a Portuguese house.
คุณริชาร์ด
สองคนครับ
เชียร์อะไรครับ
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
How many years old is this house?
120 years old
Yeah, 120 years old. And it's like a Portuguese style house?
Chino Portuguese style
Chino?
Chino Portuguese is mixed
What does that mean? Chino
Chino
Portuguese?
Chinese
Okay, so it's a combination Chinese Portuguese house here. There's a lot of Chinese influence here. Can we have a tour?
please
Yeah? Yeah, he's going to let us have a tour of the place. We're going to go check the upstairs out. We're upstairs on the second floor. This side over here is all open air. They also have another section that's closed and air conditioned. That's the first dish right there. And this looks good. Smells good. Let's taste the noodles first. It's a piece of squid. This is tasty. This is one of my favorite things to eat. It's called tot mangong. They're shrimp cakes. He's going to open this one up. You can see inside of it.
แล้วน้ำจิ้มหน่อยอย่าเพิ่งไปดิ
Yeah, and then here's the dipping sauce for it. Man, they smell absolutely delicious. Wow. The last time I had this was in Phuket, and theirs were good too. They had pork in it. They had some ground pork in it. And I mean, these are some of the best shrimp cakes I've had.
ฟรี
Free? Huh?
ฟรี
Free, yeah. Yeah, they gave us some free mango.
กลิ่นหอมๆนี้ไม่รู้เปรี้ยวหรือเปล่า
Maybe out. Still see some lightning in the background. I don't know if it's going to rain again or not, but we're going to try to get out and walk around a little bit. Yeah?
เดินนี่เลย
แกงเขียวหวานอร่อยไหม
อร่อยครับ
แล้วไข่เจียวอร่อยไหมไข่เจียวรู้จักไข่เจียวไหม
รู้จักครับ
ไข่เจียวแกงเขียวหวานอร่อยไหม
ไม่ค่อยได้เขียนผอมกัน
สุดยอดเลยมึง เงินเป็นล้านก็คนนี้ก็มี139 ล้านไงคนนี้ก็มี139 ล้านเขาจะให้ผมล้านหนึ่งผมบอกผมไม่เอา
Yeah.
มีแกงเขียวหวานกับไข่